Good day, viewers. Walter here. It's been a couple days since I took the switch off this washing machine, the lid lock switch, which goes right here. And today I'm going to try to get it back on there. I fumble a lot, so I probably won't get it videoed proper, but I'll explain to you what I'm doing. We got the new switch in. Came from, ordered it on Amazon. Came from, well, I ain't got my glasses on. The store's on Amazon. You just do a search for lid lock switch GE with your model number right there, and you'll find the right one. Here's the old one. They look the same. The little cushion that goes on top here is a little different. But looking at them, I can't tell a bit of difference. So I'm hoping this will fix the washing machine. What I got to do is push this tub over where I can get my hand in here. You can see my finger sticking out. Right here is where I'm going to put it. And I'm going to put it underneath there in such a way like this, so that these little ears will hook in here. I hope that's enough to keep it where it won't slip back down. First I got to reach up in there and find the plug. I wonder how I could hold this tub over and keep it over. I could put a wedge right there. That would work. Maybe this rag will work. That helps. Alright. I'm going to mess around and lose the rag up in the hole. I'll just hold it over there with my fingers. Alright, the plug is really short. Now, before I was so rudely interrupted by the phone ringing by a scam phone call, alright, the plug, I think it goes like that right there. We got to turn this upside down to get the plug to plug in right here. Alright, I got the plug in there. Split this over and slide it up in there. Pretty sure I got it plugged in right. Sure hope that bezel will hold it up there. It doesn't feel like it snapped right, but it's in there. Okay, when you put this bezel on, see this part sticking down, that little short thing? It's got to go in a hole here somewhere. It's got to be that round hole right there. George, I just snapped it on there. Some hook or crook, the lid switch is on there. Wife wants to wash clothes. I sure hope this got it fixed. That's all there was to it. Now let's plug it in. I hope like heck I ain't created a monster. Do as you're supposed to do, not as I did. Get the manual out and read the book. at the end, when I put the switch back on, I had a little trouble getting the washing machine to start. I probably should have read the instructions, but what I did was hold down on the pause button for about 10 seconds and get the computer to reprogram itself. And so I just unplugged the washing machine, plugged it back in, and pushed the pause button again until all the lights came on. Pushed it one more time and it started pumping. So I guess I must have did something right. So read the book. Don't do as I did. See if the lights come on when I open the lid. Yep. I'm going to go up there and tell her it's fixed. And we'll know when she washes clothes whether it worked or not. Anyway, that's my little short video for today. The bezel snapped on there real good. You can hear the switch. Sure clicks better than it did before. And this old piece of crap, it's got a burnt smell to it. That's what it was. The switch was burned up. Can't believe how easy it was to put that switch on. Y'all take care.